Hi, I'm Amanda Gulik. Welcome to Clever Dough Cakes, where you learn yummy baking recipes and fun cake decorating ideas. I'm so excited to have you here on my channel. I wanted to take you through what you're going to find on this channel, how it will best help you with making yummy, tasty cakes and really fun cake decorating ideas, as well as other really yummy recipes too. And then I'm also going to walk you through my website and what you can access over there. So let's start on our website or on the YouTube channel here. So every Wednesday morning at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, I upload a new video for you with a new yummy baking recipe for cakes, muffins, cookies, and other fun things like green smoothies, something that I enjoy that I want to share with you. And I also share fun cake decorating ideas. So on the main page here, which is youtube.com/Amanda Vandergulik, just Amanda Vandergulik, not .com. Then you'll find here in the very top of the site, you're going to find my newest upload. And when you scroll down, you'll see a list here of all of the uploads. So you can go through that and see what the most recent videos are, so you can watch those. When you scroll down a little bit further, I get a lot of questions for how to bake a cake or like how to make a cake from scratch. And so what I've done is I've created a special area here for you to answer all of your cake questions, baking hacks and tips. And so you can find all of those in there. Things like, how do you bake a cake if you don't have a stand mixer? Can you use a fork? Yes, you can. And I'll share how all that works in these videos here. Okay, let's just move back there. Okay, and then down here, this is the section where you're going to find yummy baking and icing recipes. And so I've got them all listed into different playlists for you. So this one is for baking and icing recipes. This one's just for icing recipes. This one is for how to decorate your cake, so specific icing piping techniques and tips that you can use. I've got a playlist here for some healthy recipes, and then over here some fun, cool foodie tips and hacks and ideas. Like in this picture here, you can see I'm actually cutting an onion, how to cut an onion without having your eyes tear. I also have a playlist for affordable groceries, different apps that I use to make my groceries a lot more economic, and just some fun, cool life hacks. You can meet my kids in this video here. Then as you scroll down, let me just move down here. This section is all about fun cake decorating ideas, just to give you ideas of an inspiration for simple birthday cakes and more intricate cake decorating ideas, whether it's wedding cakes or special occasion cakes. You're going to find them all in this section here. So I've got graduation cakes and cupcakes. I've got some sports themed cakes here where you can have a hidden soccer ball or some NHL pucks, fishing, hunting, a whole bunch of different sports in this section. Rainbow cake ideas, and you can see my daughter there. She's helped me bake lots of rainbow cakes, whether the rainbow was inside the cake or on the outside. So my ideas there. Farmyard, barnyard cakes, holiday cakes, Father's Day cakes, Valentine's cakes, and simple birthday cake ideas, specialty cakes, giant cakes. So you're going to find all of those, and I'm updating them constantly for you. So you can always come here for inspiration for your own cake decorating. Plus, I get a lot of questions of, well, how can you run a cake business? And so I've put a whole playlist here together for you of how you could do a cake business from home. And I share how I actually earn passive income from baking and decorating cakes, and I don't even sell my cakes. So it's pretty cool. So I share how I do that here. Like this one cake has earned me, well, now it's been updated. It's over $5,000 US that it's earned me. It's crazy. And I'll show you how I do that. And I give you an opportunity to promote your cakes on my channel. I talk about that in this video here. I show how to earn passive income from your cakes here. And I also have some help for you on how to actually start an online business, and how to make money and how to start your own YouTube channel if that's something you're interested in. And then the tools, the business tools that I use to promote, and some wonderful meditations I use to keep my mind chill and not stress out. So anyway, you can check those out there. Now let's head back. And then down here, I've got some baking cakes and cooking tips that my daughter has put together for you, because she's really helpful, especially if you're not aware. I actually suffered from acute respiratory distress syndrome 4 years ago. I was in a 3-week coma, and I'm really lucky that I'm still here because most people do not survive. It's actually, oddly enough, very similar to the COVID virus as far as what it does to your body. And so baking cakes and decorating cakes is much more difficult for me now. So my daughter Xanthe actually helps me with a lot of my cake decorating and baking. And so I've got her featured in a bunch of videos. And you can also check out her channel up here as well. I've got my other channel where I teach entrepreneurship skills and financial literacy education for families. My daughter's channel, and my son, although he's kind of shy, so he's changed his name to No. Oh my goodness. He does a lot of my editing of my videos, so it's a real family team here. You get to meet us all. And then down here, so my latest videos on my other channel, my Clever Dough channel, I put them here for you as well, so you can take a quick look and see what videos are available to you. And then the daily meditations and mindfulness exercises that I use to stay healthy so that I can be baking and decorating cakes more often. So I share all of those with you as well. And down here, you can actually see what it was like to be in a coma and to come out the other end. Yeah, there I am laying in a bed for 3 weeks, and my family didn't know whether I was going to survive. So it was pretty scary, but I'm so grateful that I'm still here and I can just share fun things with you guys and empower your lives as well. So welcome to our channel. Welcome to my Clever Dough cakes for fun cake decorating ideas, tips, and recipes. Now let's head over to my channel or on my website, because I have a free gift for you that I think you'd really enjoy. All right, so this is my website, and on this website, let me just walk you through what exactly you can find here. I have some free gifts for you, so this will change randomly, and so take a look at it often just to make sure you're not missing anything, because I like giving you free gifts, and all you have to do is just tell me where to send it. And so it's really easy. This particular one, it's a wedding cake that I created a couple of years ago, but inside it I share my super yummy marshmallow fondant recipe. It is so delicious because fondant, I'm not sure if you're aware, if you've ever tried fondant, it actually doesn't taste that great. It's really sickly sweet, and a lot of people, when they see fondant on a cake, they'll just roll it off and not eat it. But this marshmallow fondant is delicious. Like, people will ask if there's more. It's that good. And it's extremely affordable, economic to make. So you can have my recipe for free when you download this ebook. It's right in there. And please go ahead and do that. I'm so happy to share it with you. I lived in New Zealand for a while. I'm currently in Canada, and I lived in the Netherlands as well. And in the Netherlands and in New Zealand, it was really hard to find fondant. So I had to find a way to create it myself. In North America, you can buy it, but it's really expensive. So I'm so excited to share that with you. And further on my page here, so you can have a look at my Fun Cake Decorating Ideas book, where I'll share some more really fun cake decorating ideas that you can do, and I show you step by step how to create them, as well as all of the cake recipes and the icing recipes that I use, and they're all in there for you. You have a link here to my blog, where every week I will post a new blog post for you with a new video and detailed information on how to either use a new recipe or some more fun cake decorating ideas. You can visit my Facebook page, where I also post a lot of tips and tricks, and of course the link to my YouTube channel. And so that's it. It's pretty simple, straightforward. You can check out my products on this page here. Again, currently, so I've got, actually, when you do check this out, take a look at this video. I'll show you exactly what's inside my book, so you can take a sneak peek inside. And then again, the link to the free ebook that you can download there for free. And I'll be updating this as I have new material coming out for you. And then there's a link to the blog and to log in, because I am going to create a membership for you soon, so stay tuned, because that is coming very soon. I hope you enjoyed this. Welcome to my Clever Dough Cakes channel, and if you know any other bakers or cake decorators who would enjoy this channel as well, please share and let them know about this, and leave me comments. Let me know when you make cakes and how they turn out, and when you try recipes and you try my different fun cake decorating ideas. Let me know, because I love hearing from you. I always do my best to answer every single comment, because you matter. Without you, I would not have a channel. I would not have a website. I am so grateful to you, and I'll see you again soon. Take a look at my newest video here, And don't forget to download your free gift so you can make your own marshmallow fondant. I'll talk to you soon. And look at this. YouTube thinks you're going to really enjoy this video next.